to my YouTube. Did I just?
You got
Welcome to my YouTube channel again, you guys. I am back with my love.
Hey you guys. Yeah, in the first video I was a sister, now I became her love. Yeah. That pretty much describes our love life. Yeah.
Anyways, we are doing get to know us edition with her, so that you all know that how did we meet and stuff. Without wasting further ado, let's start into the video. First question.
Where did we meet? Sorry. Okay.
Yeah.
You go first.
I'll say. First question I'll answer. Her best friend is Fahima Didi, and I used to study at her place. Like, she used to teach me, and she had come to meet her. And I was studying there, and I saw this woman. She was laughing so much, and she was making all fun, and she allowed me to copy. She was like, "Kar le, copy,
Yeah, I'm
kar le."
that supportive.
But Fahima Didi is watching, yeah. But anyways, I love her. She's also very sweet. She only gave test and like she's very sweet. So this woman, she was allowing me to copy because Fahima Didi went out and she was like telling me all the answers and all, and that's how I fell in love with her. But like,
Yeah, so we met at my best friend's house.
Yeah,
where
yeah.
I came to stay at her place.
yeah,
So
and I went to
that's how-
study, and that's how we got. And her first impression was very kind towards me.
I'm kind only. People think that
Her
if I
face-
look, my restaurant which do we have any weird obsession? If so, what? Weird obsession would be definitely I love clothes.
That's not weird.
Yeah, but that is the only obsession I have. So yeah.
I am obsessed if your voice is good. Like, I'll be obsessed with you if your voice is good. Voice matters a lot to me. Yeah.
That is the thing.
Yeah. Next question. You
Fried.
like you have you ever tried Thai curry?
No, I don't like curry.
I'm taking you to eat Thai curry, guys. It is very on a very serious note, and we are going to eat Thai curry tomorrow. I don't care. Guys, you need to eat Thai curry. If you haven't if you have never tried Thai curry is good. Okay, don't say anything. You haven't
Okay,
tried
for
it.
you I'll.
For you means you will have to. I don't care, man. Don't give any excuse. You will, and you subscribers also need to eat Thai curry. Thai curry is the best thing on the earth. The green one. Why did we even talk about it? I want to eat now.
The thought of it kills me. Next question.
It's very tasty. I want Thai curry. I want.
What do we argue about the most?
Who is more pretty?
I
feel
know,
she's
we agree. We agree.
No, I feel
But
you're
yeah,
pretty good.
you end up. You don't stop arguing. You always hype me. As I mentioned, she always hype
It's not about hyping. You are more pretty. We all know.
Thank you. Thank
Yeah.
you. She's
So
very sweet. She's always sweet.
She is.
What
pretty.
I argue about, if I am watching TV, what am I watching? We
YouTube.
don't watch.
I watch
We don't
YouTube
watch
a lot.
TV anymore. Like yeah.
Yeah. TV.
No one watch
No one watch. I don't know, but I watch YouTube more. Like I follow too many.
What is
YouTubers.
your favorite series or something?
Series? I don't. You know what? Fun fact: I don't watch series. I don't watch like the episode show. I feel like it's very time consuming. Like they have 1 hour episodes, 30
So
30
you are
minutes
more
episode.
into
movie like एक मिनट बोल रही हूँ like एक साथ सब बता दो. I cannot like उतना patience ही नहीं है मेरे में. That's the thing. Fun fact ना.
For me, would be my favorite sitcom. That is How I Met Your Mother. I always hype people.
I have seen my sister
Yeah.
forced me to watch that. That's very nice.
Yeah, it is
I
very
have-
nice. You must watch. We will watch it.
I have
while
watched
having
once
the
like
curry.
thoda. हाँ we love okay.
Okay, done. Our plan for tomorrow is done. So yeah, I might be watching that only or anime. Yeah, I'm into anime. So
Oh. Let us know if you watch anime or have you watched How I Met Your Mother.
yes.
You did something. You did something and I didn't like it.
Yeah, basically yeah.
So there is one thing I didn't like. That you haven't visited my home yet.
But you recently shifted, huh?
So what? You should come to see me. Na? And if I'm new to the place, you should,
Yeah. I tell I'm busy, but honestly, I'm in my blanket at home.
How?
No, not to you. I never told you that. I
Huh.
never told you that.
Yeah, she didn't tell me that. Yeah. Sorry, man.
Yeah, I will definitely visit your home.
Yes, please.
For me, it would be same. That why didn't you meet me for a year?
Yeah.
Like you're meeting me after a year.
Yeah.
I hate you for that.
But-
That is something I don't like about you.
Like-
But she met me finally, so yeah, I'm happy.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll meet more often. Actually, 1 year, I don't know. Yeah. Who is your love of your life? Who is the love of your life?
Moving on to next question.
I love my subscribers. Should I tell them? Why to hide now? Like, I know who is the love of your life.
What can I spend hours doing?
Doing, I can be on my phone for hours.
Yeah, but we are also trying to be more productive, and we both are very much creative. So yeah, something creative.
Yeah. Right.
Or if we are also lazy, so definitely ultimately phone only.
Yeah. Yeah, actually.
Like the night before we wake up in the morning, we think, okay, the next day I'll do this, and then I'll
That's
get enough
everyday
food.
story. The main thing is kal padenge.
Padna for me is now not a thing.
But it was always like it was always we'll study tomorrow, we'll do this
Struggled, yeah.
But the tomorrow never comes. So you have to start now. Why am I even motivating you? I don't even do anything. I am just
But I never had struggling.
and by the way, a secret, and I'm going to tell you sorry. So many. I kept a poll on my Insta that what you want to see on next on my channel. They are like, show us your daily routine, guys.
Nothing, the video will start and then it will end. Yeah.
I'm just
show.
I am the most laziest person you will see. I am just on my bed 24/7, and my college is also online. So
Yeah, same story for everyone.
Yeah.
I
So
never
I'm
struggled
just-
studying. So
Never?
yeah, no, I was a bright student back then. So yeah.
You didn't tell me this. You are white, so you never struggled. Your parents weren't strict.
They knew that I'll do it. So yeah.
My parents knew I couldn't do it, so they kept struggling.
Okay,
I
next
struggled
question.
a lot.
What kind of cake would you bake me on my birthday? Oh, my birthday is also coming. Wow, what a coincidence.
Tell me what are you baking for me?
I don't know how to bake a cake. Let's start from there. I don't know how to bake a cake, but if hypothetically I knew, definitely a heart-shaped cake.
Because I am the love of my life. No, she's my love of my life.
And on that, I will be writing definitely for my little sweetheart.
That's cute. That's cute. That's very cute.
Definitely, and in bracket,
When is your
my
birthday?
baby.
When is your
What
birthday?
cake would you make for me?
I would bake the sunglasses cake. The sunglasses cake. That kind of shape because you're very cool.
Oh,
Yeah.
so that cake
She's very
represents
cool.
me. Yeah.
The sunglasses thing.
the heart-
Because she looks very good in sunglasses. The main point is she looks very good in sunglasses. Check out her Instagram. She has many videos wearing those. She looks very cool.
Thank you.
That's
By the way,
how
I didn't pay her to say all these compliments.
You did. She
No,
did.
she meant every single word from her heart. So yeah.
Maybe.
And my heart shaped cake resembles my
How-
love for you.
And how sweet I am.
We can add.
I'm making you say everything. Damn it. No, anyways. It's all true. There is nothing scripted, you guys.
Yeah, we are candid.
Even the questions she is choosing now and we are answering.
Yeah,
Because we don't
everything
want
is
to pretend.
spontaneous.
We don't want to
Yeah,
pretend.
yeah.
That's the thing.
We want to be
keep it
really
as
authentic.
real as real.
Yeah.
Yeah. The last question, you guys.
Have you ever liked someone and never told them?
No. If I like you, I will automatically come and tell you because I cannot keep it in my heart. And it's nice. Like if I like you, you should know now. It's yeah.
But people sometimes they don't do it out of rejection, out of fear of rejection.
No. I don't. I
You
don't
don't mind
keep-
getting rejected. Wow.
Yeah, I don't mind.
The confidence.
Why do I mind? You're nice. I like you. If you don't like me back, that's fine.
We should always express our feelings.
Yeah, express, because if you don't express most of the things,
Yeah, that
good
feels-
things,
uh-huh.
good things also, you know.
Yeah.
You never know. You never know. Yeah.
Yeah, and when you try to keep it in your heart, it literally kills you from the inside. So just
Yeah, and
spit it
later
out.
you also regret. Yeah, later you also regret. I've heard many people saying that they
Most of
regret.
the time I don't regret speaking my mind out.
Have you
So-
have you ever told somebody you wanted to tell somebody but didn't say?
No, nothing like that ever happened.
You told?
I generally don't make the first move. So yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. It's
Yeah.
first move. I if
I
I
will never do that. I'm very much conservative.
but
so
girl
I
but
don't
like
make the first move.
boys like if girls make first move.
That's the reason I don't make the first move.
That's a totally different story, but yeah, if I like you, I'll
But
tell you.
yeah,
But I rarely like boys, man.
Yeah.
Boys,
No, if I really like someone, then I'll tell you.
same actually.
Yeah, that much of effort I will take only for someone who is great.
Thank you. Thank you. Otherwise,
So if I haven't told you, you are special.
how mean, don't tell me to travel that is.
Where is my baddie? Glasses.
No, it's not like that, and if I like you, I'll tell you. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. But I rarely like
get
boys.
glasses.
In boys' case, I rarely like boys. My expectations and my everything is very on top. That's very hard to find actually.
Do you smile at strangers?
Do you smile at strangers?
Yes.
I smile at strangers.
I am actually-
I smile.
I am actually that person who smiles at people. And I don't know why they make faces or
And they don't smile back.
yeah, they are eye rolling or something. I think it's a good gesture to smile at people.
Yeah, and some people are weird, but I smile like
they
this.
just give that creepy look.
Yeah. So if you're a stranger and watching this, and if I smile at you, please smile back, okay?
Yeah, please smile. Or I'll laugh at you.
Savage.
Wishing you guys,
Last.
what do you say during awkward silences?
Awkward silences are not meant to talk actually.
Yeah.
We are quiet.
We don't even talk. We just make our expressions,
Yeah.
our
But
decided expressions.
Yeah, and it's not awkward actually, na. If you have, we use phone, na. If it's like getting awkward.
Yeah,
it's
that is
not
pretty much a
awkward.
signal. If we are using our phone constantly, guys, just keep that in your mind. It is getting awkward.
Yeah. So please stop.
No, don't talk only. Stop. Shut it up. Don't talk. That is making awkward because I'm an introvert. So yeah.
Your intro. By the way, that's it for the video. Thank you so much for watching till here. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down if you want any other questions or any challenges.
That's what she told.
Yes, please. And if you want to see anything on my channel with her, and you want us to reveal some secrets
Yeah,
also, then comment down. And yeah, thank you. Bye bye. Did you enjoy it?
Definitely. It may not look like right now because I'm really tired.
Even I am tired.
But I definitely enjoyed, and this forces me to make one more video for her, and then one more video, and then it goes on.
That's
We'll do it.
unconditional love
Definitely,
and love for you guys. So please subscribe right now and hit the bell icon and do everything possible.
And
I want you guys to support. Okay? Bye bye. I love you.